Yes, it's rated 60 hertz. Sorry for the shortcut on the video. It's rated 60 hertz, and so it could push this motor. And when you turn on this main, this fan, I turn it off. When you turn on this main, the fan will start spinning, but the motor isn't on as yet. This here controls the fan alone. Now when you switch this on, the power flow to this switch, which you'll have to turn on. So I'll go ahead and it's on. As you could see, the suction is sucking my finger right in, and air is flowing through this pipe. You could see how it's pushing my finger back. Yes. So I'll have to I will show you how it ears up my bicycle wheel. My bicycle wheel is hard right now, as you could see. It's pretty hard, and I'll go ahead and ear it up. Still hard. Sooner or later I'll buy some pressure gauges to show how much PSI it runs from. Okay, you could see my wheel is really soft. My wheel is flat. It punctured, look, punctured. Now I will ear it up with this cable. Sorry, I cannot use both of my hands because I have to use one hand to figure this. Now we'll switch it on. And it's on. Now as you could see, air is going into this bike. It's getting really hard. I cannot push it anymore. And it's yes, it's completed. Look at that. Look how fast it works. And air is coming out very heavily from this. Look at this. The mandatory will get hot, but don't worry. If it heats up, remember you have a fan to cool it down. And look how fast it ears up my bike. My bike is so hard, the wheel is so hard that I'm afraid it will pop. So I have to take out back some air from it. Let me shut down this first. And I think that's it. I will show you a couple more stuff before I leave this video. Please remember to like and subscribe for more of these videos. And as you want to see if this is true, look at this. There's no battery or any other pressure pumps or any other stuff under this wood. I will show you. It's real. Look at this. It's quite, you see, it's clear. Nothing but the screws. Like, man. And I will advise you to place it on a flat surface so it wouldn't bend and damage anything. As I said, this the current flows from here into here. There's a main, the main controls this fan. Look, switch off the main control this fan. From here it goes to the fan, and this is the emitter. I have double the wire because it runs very hot. Pulls enough. It don't pulls the volt. It only pulls around 100 to 115 volt, but it pulls a lot of amps. Current, in other words, current and amps is the same thing. So, and this again is the startup relay. Without this, it wouldn't work at all. In the future, I'm looking forward to modify it. I'm working with one motor right now, and this is around 8 psi, which is very low, but if I have a pressure tank, I could build it up to around 20 to 25 psi, which I'm planning to do soon. But please like and subscribe, so I will be able to make more videos on how to do this. And I didn't go on the internet and plagiarize anybody's work. Plagiarize means to copy. Plagiarize anybody's work or any stuff. I've done this on my own. I've done it right out from my head. And the idea took me, and this from my own idea took me to build 7 hours. But don't worry, since you have already get the idea from me, you could build it in less than an hour. It's not hard to build. Again, it's cost efficient and it's reliable. And in the future, I'll modify it and I'll create more videos on how I modified it later, guys. Yes, guys, so I've explained everything on how to make it. And again, see, and you see that you see the ear. Look at this ear here. Look at this. Look at demonstrate how the flow of this ear works. I've made a little stand for it too. I've used everything with a drywall screw, and and this is it. This is screw I've used, and everything I've used here. I've used these star punch screwdriver, and then pliers to cut there and stuff. It's pretty much good. It didn't take. It only took 10 seconds from to inflate my bicycle tires. It was deflated completely as I showed you, and now it's inflated within 10 seconds. Look at that, guys. It's very, very good, very, very powerful too. I love it. And in the future, I will show you. I will explain. Look at that. See that? Look at this. This is the excessive. This is the excessive motor oil that was. This is the excessive motor oil that was left in the motor. Please try to get rid of this before you air up anything with it. And please do it. Please get rid of it in a closed bottle, because if you let this stuff out of the air, it can damage the ozone layer. It is called the CV. It's CV gas. The CV gas is found in most air conditioners and refrigerators. So don't worry if this smokes. It's just fine. If it smokes, it's fine. Okay, nothing will happen. It wouldn't blow up or anything. And that's it, guys. I'll see you in your next video. Again, please like and subscribe for more. Thank you.